Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Brain Segmentation series. In this episode, we're focusing on the cerebellum. First, we'll take a quick look at its anatomy and function, and then we'll move on to segmenting it in a 3D slicer. The cerebellum or little brain lies beneath the occipital lobes and behind the brainstem. It's divided into two hemispheres and connected to the brain through three pairs of peduncles. The cerebellum plays key roles in balance, coordination, and fine motor control. In this episode, we'll learn how to segment the cerebellum in 3D slicer as part of our brain segmentation series. Okay, for a start, I go to Segment Editor and add a new segment. By double-clicking on it, you can choose a color for it and rename it. And for this segment, I name it Cerebellum. Okay, and for segmenting the cerebellum, first of all, by using the paint tool, I draw some lines on the cerebellum in multiple slices in every 2D view. First of all, make sure to uncheck all these boxes at the left side and draw multiple lines on the cerebellum in all the 2D views. Try to draw them in different slices, at least in 3 slices. These are the seeds of cerebellum that practically we're putting on the cerebellum area, which makes you should make sure to draw these lines in the boundaries of cerebellum. After drawing multiple lines in different 2D views, you have to create another segment defining it as the surrounding area around the cerebellum. In this way, you can exactly make sure to select the cerebellum. For this one, I choose a different color. And now again, as the previous step, you have to draw multiple lines around your cerebellum on all the 2D views. Make sure to draw these lines in closed loops and in the surrounding area of the cerebellum. In this way, you're making sure that the boundaries of cerebellum are selected. Again, I repeat this on multiple slices. It just needs to be around the cerebellum. It doesn't need to exactly fit the boundaries of the cerebellum. Just to make sure it is a closed loop. Cerebellum is one of the structures that are very well visualized on 2D views, and you can see it from different angles, but mostly it is better detectable on sagittal view. If you accidentally draw a line or made a mistake, you can undo it with pressing Z button. Okay, now I go to grow from seeds tool, and in this part I am gonna ask the software to grow my seeds through the surroundings that I have collected. Press initialize, and it will automatically segment the cerebellum based on the lines and boundaries that we have selected. But it may have some mistakes or some leakages that you can correct. Go back to Paint tool, select the cerebellum segment, and correct every under segmentation or mistake in your structure. It is simply by drawing the lines. Draw the line around the in the under segmented area, and it will automatically correct it. You just need to draw in that surrounding. I take time to correct as much as I can in order to get the most precise results at the end. Um, but it is obvious that we cannot check every slice in every view. You just need to correct big mistakes in this step. And we have other tools and other methods to correct small mistakes that I am gonna tell you. In this stage, you just need to correct big mistakes, big leakages, or big undersegmentations. For correcting the undersegmentations, make sure to select the cerebellum segment in the left column. And for correcting the leakages of the purple segment through the blue one, you have to change your selection and select the segment 2 segment that you have created. Using this tool, grow from seeds, usually makes a good and precise segmentation for us, especially for isolated structures such as cerebellum or brainstem, which I showed you how to segment in the previous tutorial. And for such structures, I usually recommend to use this tool. And now I try to correct the leakages. It is just like before. just make sure that you selected the other segment. Okay, after making sure that you have corrected the large mistakes, I go back to the Grow from Seeds tool and press Apply, which it will create the ultimate 3D structure. So now just simply press Apply. And by turning on this tab, it will show the 3D structure. As you can see, it is very close to the actual cerebellum in our imaging. It has some extrusions or some extra little items that needs more correction, and I'm gonna show you how to correct it. For smoothing the structure and removing the extrusions, use the smoothing tool. Select the cerebellum structure and go to smoothing tool and press apply. You don't need to change any other setting. You can do it as many as you want in order to achieve the smooth and most precise structure. And if your structure still has some extra islands, extra little voxels or um, little islands around it, you can use the islands tool by choosing the keep the largest island and pressing apply. It will remove all little islands and extra structures around the 3D. If you want to correct the minor mistakes, you can use the paint tool and correct these little undersegmented areas that it may have been in the structure. Okay. And ultimately, this is the 3D cerebellum that we've segmented. It is very close to the actual structure in the MRI. This segmented area can be seen in the 2D views as well. Don't forget to subscribe. In the next episode, I will show you how to segment the cerebellum white matter and gray matter and add more details to your 3D structure.